Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own butt lifter. I'm going to make one for my sister. If you watched my previous video on how to make a butt lifter, it's actually just the same DIY. So guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So she has this butt lifter right here, but they are short. They're short, but she wanted something that is high-waisted. I'm going to use either this shapewear because it's high-waisted, it has, or this black one. So which one do you prefer, the black one or the nude one? Black. Okay, so I'm going to make it from this shapewear. It's high-waisted and it tucks in everything, so it won't give you like fat rolls. It just give you that like hourglass shape figure, that smooth, like, you know. Yeah, so let's get started. So these are the lifters, and as you can see, it looks perfect. Like, it lifts the butt at the back, but then the only problem she had is around the tummy. Like, it kind of digs in her tummy, especially when she has dresses. So I'm going to make this because it's high-waisted and it's going to give her that hourglass shape figure, and it's going to be perfect and just look flawless in dress. So guys, this is how this other shapewear looks on her. As you can see, it is so perfect. It kind of gives her hourglass shape figure, it tucks everything in, and then it still gives her that butt. But now she wanted a butt lifter that is going to like do everything for her. It's going to tuck in the tummy, at the same time it's going to lift her butt. I'm going to make 2 holes right here, and then I'll cut it to make the butt lifter. So this is what I'm going to use to make my marks. There. There, like that. So I'm going to cut small holes around these marks, and the holes, just make sure the holes are tiny. This is my first hole, and then I'm going to cut again because it doesn't stretch that much. That's why I decided to cut a small hole first, then I continue cutting around it. But just make sure it is as tiny as possible. Even if you have a big butt, just make sure the hole is tiny. Right now I'm cutting it in a circle. So if the material stretches that much, you don't have to cut big circles because it's going to expand when you put it on. So this, just realize this material right here, it doesn't stretch too much. But if it's this type of fabric, then you have to make a very, very small hole. So these are the holes. So it depends on the type of material. If the material stretches too much, then just make a small hole as you continue cutting around the hole. But if your material is thick, you need like a big circle. Like this one, it was thick, so I needed like a big circle for it to fit in the butt. So don't cut this part right here, the thick part, because it's the one that is going to support your butt cheeks. Let her try it on and let's see if it's going to work and give her the result that she wants. So this is exactly what she wanted. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It has tucked the tummy in, and also it has lifted her butt. So this works the same way as the other lifters. Like, there's no difference. As you can see, her tummy is tucked in. Like you can see around her waist, it is tucked in and the butt is lifted. So guys, the good thing about multicolored outfits, if you've watched my previous videos, this is a kind of cliche on my channel. I've told you, if you pair these shapewears with multicolored outfits, like, no one is going to notice that you've worn a shapewear. Like in these leggings that she has on, like, no one can tell that she's worn a butt lifter. This, she doesn't have a small butt, and also she doesn't have a big butt, but these lifters kind of enhances what she already has. she was standing with one leg in front. That can create an illusion of bigger butt, and that's what I didn't want. Like, I want you to see the exact picture of how the butt looks. So she's going to try it in different outfits. She's tried in this dress and she was so impressed. This is so amazing. Like, this is not the size of a butt. And again, guys, this is just to enhance what you already have. It's not like going to do magic. It's just enhancing what you already have. So as you can see, it also looks perfect in this dress as well. But then one mistake I made, I didn't ask her to try it in a plain colored outfit. You can see she only tried it in multicolored outfits, and for multicolored outfits, again, no one can even tell that she's worn a butt lifter. So I wish she tried it on in a plain colored outfit so we can see if it actually can show in a plain colored outfit. So guys, I decided to try it on my leggings also, and I really loved it. I also wanted to make one for myself, again, like a high-waisted butt lifter. Just remember, it also depends with the type of material, because this one is it was kind of thick around this area. It was kind of thick, so that's why the hole is too big. But if yours is not that thick, then you have to make a very, very small hole. So guys, one thing you should know about shapewear is that it's not going to give you permanent results. It's not like going to reshape your body. This is something you wear, and then at the end of the day, when you take it off, your body goes back to how it was before. So it's not like a trainer with trainer. It's not going to train your body and give you that hourglass shape figure. But when you use corsets, when you use it's kind of going to train your body and give you that, you know, hourglass shape figure. But for this type of shapewear, when it comes to like your tummy, it's not going to give you the shape that you want. For the butt lifter, it kind of works, because when you work out, when you have it on, it's going to train your butt to be lifted. Yeah, if you can't use this, if you can't wear shapewears, if you can't wear butt lifters, if you have a small butt, if you have tummy fat, no pressure, by the way, you don't have to do it. You don't have to wear it if you don't want it, if you're not comfortable with it. This is just my opinion. This is just what I personally do. And yeah, if you look good and feel good, then do it. Yeah, if you want to. This is my other video on how to make a butt lifter. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it in the description box down below, so you can go check it out. So guys, that was it for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my sister's YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, Apollo, delete. Sorry.
Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking. Guys,
Hey
thank
guys, thank you so much.
So guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget. Officially.